This is a video to show you how to use Illuminate for homework and or for quizzes. If you're starting from scratch, go over to Assessments in the sidebar and create an assessment. I do the manual hybrid assessment. You'll have to tell it how many questions that you want, and it will walk you through all of the steps. So give it a title. You can give directions if you want to. Save. I don't do standards, that's the next button. So prepare the answer key. You can make it a complicated type of questions with different selections being different point values. You can make it a rubric. If you do, you need to put how many points are possible and then that it's worth 4 points. That question's worth, 4 points. You can make it extra credit. You can put in the answer key, whatever. Save. Attaching materials is next, and you go to upload, then you go to your Finder and you drag whatever you want over there, just making it up, and there it is. Sheet Designer is the next step, where if I have a rubric, then I want to tell it how many lines to give them. I can change the number of responses that I want. I can select that 7, 8, 9, and 10. I want those answers to be yes, no, IDK. And those will be the choices. Save. Share with others, I don't usually do. Administer. Administer online. Add administration. This is the testing window. If it is an assessment, open it up only for that time of the class. If it's a homework, open it for 2 weeks. I can decide to give it to my entire course of advanced science, or I can choose what classes that I want, or I could choose what students I want. I've just assigned it to 46 kids. Administration, I just go through there, make sure that it's uploaded there. Don't usually change anything there. Here you can choose to give them the answer key, and you can choose what the time period they can see the answer key is. Hit save, and it's saving slowly. Then I can preview. Make sure it's loaded there. Hit preview. Begin test. This is what the kids will see now. So here's the document that I uploaded. Question 1 I can type. Down here I've got yes, no, IDK. Review, finish, finish. You can close out of that actually. Then you can go to reports, and since I don't have any grades there, I'm going to get a different assessment up. With this being testing time, sometimes to slim it down, hit all, just my assessments. Correlating rock layers, this was an all multiple choice. If I had any extended responses to grade, I'd go to enter edit. And say that I want it to be all for integrated science, find all of those students. Here it's all multiple choice, but if there's constructed responses, then I'd click constructed responses and it would let me grade those. Then I go to reports. I usually go to response frequency first to see if the answer key is correct or not. For example, question 8. I might change the answer key. You can just go back up to setup and change the answer key. It'll take care of it for you. But this kids' scores, I went back, is the student responses. You can choose, I'm going to just choose second period because I just want to record their scores. And there are their scores out of 10 points. That's pretty much And then you just log out.